Samsung is on the verge of revolutionizing the foldable smartphone market with its highly anticipated tri-fold device, expected to launch in 2025. Building on its dominant position in the foldable segment, Samsung's tri-fold smartphone aims to provide an innovative leap in design and functionality. This device is set to introduce a unique triple folding mechanism, allowing the screen to fold into 3 sections, offering a more compact form factor when closed and an expansive, tablet-like display when fully unfolded. Such a design would cater to multitasking enthusiasts, professionals, and media consumers by enhancing productivity and entertainment on the go. Samsung has already teased the potential of tri-fold technology through prototypes like the Flex G and Flex S, showcasing different folding styles that prioritize versatility and durability. These concepts have set the stage for the final product, which is rumored to feature cutting-edge components, including a robust hinge mechanism and a durable ultra-thin glass display. The larger screen real estate could support features like enhanced split-screen multitasking, immersive gaming, and creative tools optimized for stylus input, possibly incorporating support for the S Pen. The development of the tri-fold smartphone reflects Samsung's response to increasing competition from brands like Huawei, Xiaomi, and Oppo, all of which have been exploring advanced foldable designs. By introducing this innovative form factor, Samsung not only aims to maintain its leadership in the foldable market, but also to redefine what smartphones can achieve. With the growing interest in foldable technology, the tri-fold device has the potential to cater to a diverse audience, from tech enthusiasts seeking cutting-edge gadgets to professionals looking for a seamless blend of portability and productivity. The Samsung Tri-Fold is poised to set a new benchmark for foldable devices, signaling the next step in smartphone evolution.